na lang. Pero masaya ba kayo tonight? Dapat lang dahil this is the celebration of the Lumana, right? Sigawan na kayo! Masaya ba kayo nakita ako? Ayan, ito si MJ Lastimosa, Philippines!
So, Maria, parang natanong bilang judge kasi you're such a great performer. What are you looking for a Miss Ilocana 2020?
Siyempre, beauty, brain, and confidence.
Makikita ko naman ba yun?
Oo, ang dami nila. Ikaw talaga.
So, may favorite five ka na.
Meron.
Okay, let's see kung papasok silang lahat. Di ba yung list mo? Okay, thank you so much, Miss